Hello everyone, welcome to Yellowgreys. In this video, I will go through the different types of recordings in UiPath. Hello there, recordings. UiPath Studio includes the recording features that can help you save time when automating your business process. These features allows you to easily capture and translate your user actions on the screen into sequence. There are 6 types of recordings: basic, desktop, web, image, native Citrix, and computer vision. In the previous tutorial, we covered basic and desktop recording. Let's cover remaining recording options here: web, image, native Citrix, and computer vision. Web recording. Web recording designed for recording in web app and browsers, generates containers and uses the simulate type click input method by default. Before we are getting into web automation, we need to install UiPath browser extension for accessing UI elements of your browser in UiPath Studio. Go to UiPath Studio, click on Tools option. Here you can find the list of all the applications that require the installation of an extension. I'm going to use Chrome browser to automate my use case. Close your browser before you install UiPath extension. Click on Chrome browser extension. You will get a pop-up window saying that the UiPath extension for Chrome was successfully installed. For the current user, you need to enable the browser extension by navigating to Chrome extension and then restart the browser. Click OK. Then open your Chrome browser on your machine. Click on extension icon at the top right corner of your browser. Then go to Manage Extension and enable UiPath Web Automation extension. Now restart your browser. Here is the task list of my use case process. First, I want to open Chrome web app. Then I would like to provide the Amazon homepage URL. Then I want to click enter. Once you have reached at the Amazon website, type any of the product you are looking for into the text box. Then click search button to get into product page. This is the use case I'm going to try with UiPath web recording now. Go to UiPath Studio, create a new process name as recording and provide the description as this project is about practical demo of web, image, native Citrix and computer vision. Then click create. Your studio is ready. Click on open main workflow link on the workflow designer panel or press Ctrl+Shift+T. Leave this main page and create new sequence. Go to new and select sequence. Let's start with web recording. Provide the sequence name as web, then click create. Now your sequence is ready. Go to Chrome browser instance and navigate to https www.amazon.in. In UiPath Studio, go to web sequence workflow. Go to activity panel. Add an open browser activity to the designer panel. Select the activity and in the URL field, write https www.amazon.in. Then go to property panel. Click on browser input type and select Chrome browser. In the design tab, in the wizard group, select recording, then select web. The web recording toolbar is displayed and the main studio view is minimized. Click record button. The automating recording process starts now. In Chrome web browser, go to the Amazon web page which we have already executed. Move your cursor inside the text box. Wait until the text box is highlighted. Then search any product name in the text box. Then move your cursor on search button. Wait until the search button is highlighted. Now click search button. Here you get all the list of products. Then press escape to save and exit your process, or press escape 2 times to save your process directly. The recording is saved and displayed in the designer panel. Close the Chrome browser manually. In Studio, go to Activity panel. Add a closed tab activity as the last activity in the attached browser container. Now let's go and run the file. Go to Design menu and click on Debug file. Then click on Run file. The automation is executing now as expected. Next, I'm going to talk about image, native Citrix and AI computer vision. I don't have any virtual machines. I will just explain what it is. In the description, I have provided all the supporting links of automating Citrix technology and AI computer vision. Image automation. Image used to record virtualized environment such as VNC, virtual machine, Citrix and more, or SAP. It permits only image, text and keyboard automation and requires explicit positioning. Native Citrix. Native Citrix is the equivalent of desktop recorder, but it is for Citrix environments. Only use this in your native Citrix automation projects. Computer vision. AI computer vision enables all UiPath robots to see every element of an interface. You can easily build a vision-based automation that will run on most virtual desktop interface VDA environments regardless of framework or operating system. Go to UiPath Studio. You can see computer vision activities in the activity panel as well. Thanks for watching. Connect with us for more tutorials.